Alright. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy. Swaggy's in the building, and today we're going to cook. Guess what? Guess what we're gonna cook? I want to show you, and you might guess what we're gonna cook. Yeah, this is saltfish. Then I have ackee to eat, so it's gonna be ackee and saltfish. Yes, Jamaican national dish. Yes, so have here some veggies. Everything already cut up and chop up, so I'm ready. I am ready to fry it together, but ackee not done yet, so I'm going to boil it. Yes, we're gonna fry because we like breadfruit when it's fried. Okay. Yes, yesterday we bought it from the roadside from Rastaman. Yes, fresh and very item. No chemicals, no preservatives, right?
Straight for the restaurant.
From Mother Nature, okay? This time we're trying the saltfish without bones, so boneless saltfish. Yeah, because I'm so tired.
Yeah, pick out bone.
Yeah,
a bone is stuck in our mouth. Oh no, you have braces, you can probably be even more safe. Not having braces though?
You mean in terms of eating bones?
Yeah.
That was stuck in our brains?
I no matter.
Might. But still, you don't want to, bone stuck in your throat. You don't want it. The worst feeling ever. I've had once, but I survived. So yeah, we tried this one. I'm gonna tell you, we are trying this first time, boneless saltfish. So far, I did the same procedure, boiled it, and I wash it. Yeah, I wash it, and that's it. But we did not taste it. Never really tasted salty like the one when you buy comes with bones on it, I don't know.
Yeah, but this never have no salt pan in there. That one they have all salt pan.
Yeah, the one with the...
Because them don't pluck it out already, Swaggy. Oh. Maybe that's why. No, I mean a different saltfish and on a bone. Yeah, because them couldn't pluck it because they come together so they don't pluck it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know, but trust me.
Wrong chef.
Less stress. Less stress. I just hope it's going to taste good. Same thing like original one. Yeah, because when you buy the one with the bones, you just can pluck out the salt out of it and crush it and use it for the next.
Salty food.
Yeah. So, alright guys, I'm going to catch my hair because now watch me. You feel, how's the light? The light is good.
Yeah, it looks good. I can see you. You're well white. You're white, my youth.
Kitchen.
Okay, bleach.
Alright. So, we're gonna start with the.
But wait, this is for the breadfruit?
No, you know what? No. Me I try first cook ackee and saltfish.
And do the breadfruit after?
Breadfruit. But you know why is it? We should have start with the breadfruit so that way ackee and saltfish still out and breadfruit no really matter.
Yeah, okay, I want to put them out. No. We not more big pot like that. I don't want.
Well, we have one frying pot, but.
So.
Yeah, maybe start ackee and saltfish.
Okay, I put the ackee in this. After you boil the ackee, you can cook it in the same pot there and fry the breadfruit over here so it's done together.
But thing is that it's deep enough, so it's not really fry. It looks like stew more. It stew your even onion when I like to use it, cause I like just the flat one.
Oh yeah, the
so
chef.
It's a fry good.
So you want to fry the breadfruit first then?
It comes like a stew, but I like one little bit to that.
I'm gonna go with your thing, and you are the chef, so.
Alright. So when the oil hot, you have to be speedy, and sometimes that's splash on you. Oh, the worst feeling ever. So just I gotta throw the onion and make it caramelized.
I'm gonna put on here something to cover up. You can't find it.
Here from? Yeah, my hands are clean, guys. So no voila. Yeah, hands are clean. Just gonna make it fry a little bit because I don't like when it's steamed onion. No, I don't like when it's steamed. No, I fry onion and everything. watch your time, you know, because you don't want to overboil ackee and saltfish because it was big rust. You overboil ackee and saltfish, them just look like a porridge. No, this is a red flag. Can't afford this happen. Isn't it? Shouldn't burn myself.
Okay, so
Always happens. So I'm gonna just throw some natural garlic, guys. Not too much. Oh man. Should I more? No, I think. I got pretty much. 2 is alright. Not too much garlic.
top chef.
Yeah. So now I have here the sweet pepper. I have here. Going to throw it in there too. And we have here the scotch bonnet pepper. No. Very careful. You have to be careful with it because it is very hot and spicy. Okay. Right. Just be always careful with my eyes after I'm done cut scotch bonnet pepper because this is very dangerous thing, you know. If you rub your eyes straight after when you cut it, you're dead. So I'm just gonna, you know, throw my tomatoes, like all the veggies you have. So today we never really cut too much red sweet pepper. So yeah, I have some of it in there though, but still not like I would love. And the yellow, I not have yellow sweet pepper, but yeah, it's alright. I'm gonna just fry everything together. Nice, put some salt, put a bit of salt, put a bit of black pepper. And my saltfish is not salty at all, so that is the reason why I am using this and not a little bit. But no, as a matter of the fact, if you use the one with bones, you better be careful with the salt, because yeah, you don't want to eat salt. I'll go with the time. That's to be on time. Alright, it's time to throw our saltfish. See, there's saltfish.
I'm gonna visit.
So right now I just the ackee missing, you know. I just the ackee. But ackee not ready, you know. I have to be very careful with the ackee because you can poison yourself to death. So make sure, I have to make sure I boil my ackee proper. So them, you know, I was so afraid because I'm the person, I true me not cook ackee regular, so me not really like know when to stop boil them. So sometimes we can overboil them as a matter of the fact. Yeah, but I hope this time we not overboil. Yeah, and boil them like 15 minutes, but still, you know, you don't want to be dead from ackee. Not today. So So people always are asking me, Swaggy, like people who never tried before ackee saltfish, them say, Swaggy, how the ackee and saltfish taste? Me always I say, remind me a little bit of scrambled egg. But I don't know, I can explain to you guys how it tastes. If you never taste, you have to try it. Go to the Jamaican restaurant and try it. Cause it's just different. It's just ackee. It's not a scrambled egg still. But look so, right? But guys, the ackee and saltfish. Okay. Not lie, but this saltfish is not salty at all. Guys, I will cut up breadfruit. Yeah, man. We're gonna eat it with the ackee and saltfish. Because I know people are gonna be like, Swaggy, where the fried dumplings there? Where the boiled bananas there? No, man. Today, breadfruit on we table, isn't it? On our table is breadfruit today. Yeah. Yeah, because we love breadfruit, and we love the fact that it's not that fat compared to fried dumplings, because kind of, you know, what you eat. Like I always say, when me eat fried dumpling with my ackee and saltfish, me feel like the fried dumpling don't fool me too fast, so I can't enjoy my ackee and saltfish proper. So me like it with something else, with beer boiled stuff. Okay, it's ready. But you can eat it though without frying it. But we like it fried. Should I like it without? Yeah, it roast. Yeah, man. I roast breadfruit. Yeah, man. Roast breadfruit.
Roasty breadfruit.
Yes, sir. Yeah, fried breadfruit, sir. See them? My type of breakfast today. Ackee and saltfish and fried breadfruit. Yeah, guys. So, bon appetit to me. Before me have to remove them things. Look how I eat it. Pan breadfruit, me I put some ackee and saltfish. Guys, so I decided to grow pear, but I'm not sure if something will come out of it. Yeah, cause pear real expensive in Jamaica. And today we went to the supermarket. We bought like, if I'm not mistaken, 5 or 6 pears. I think of 5, and we pay something about 1,000 and about 500 or something. I can be mistaken, but around that price. So I personally find it expensive, but we love pear, so me just pick up the pear that me love, cause them different too, you know. Some pears them too tough and we can't bother with them, but some pears them taste really good. So me picked some seeds out of the pear. Yes, so may I try with little tin, you know. So guys, have you ever tried grow pear seeds? Tell me, drop in the comment section. Do you think it can work out? Cause it's a supermarket pear, so I don't know what them do with them pears. So you know they might not be able to grow from the seeds. So I don't know them. Just try it in, you know. Try it in here. So I go store it. Alright, so them say I have to store it in the hot climate, Jamaica perfect feet, and them say dark place. So I go just rest it in the cupboard and come check feet. Yeah, them say 2 weeks, but I don't know them are gonna get mildew and I don't know. So let's see. Guys, believe me when I said new day, new struggle. Let me show you something now. Let me show you something I'm gonna talk about. I'ma just see it now. I'ma just see it. That now look good. Oh my gosh. I'm even afraid to come out. Look pan yes. Look at sir. What is? Looks like I'm ready for start on a farm. Man, look pan the amount of bees I have. Nam house. Watch out. I've come out of it. I've reported to Errol. That not look healthy. This have to move. That not look safe. That not look safe at all. I've come out of it. Why? Really sad, you know? Cause the other day our gardener him did a spray some chemicals, bad plants, but some good plants got caught. So I am so sad. You see him man a spray with some chemicals, you know, mash up my flower, my nice cute flowers. What do we you know, so you see this one, it dead. A good thing not all of them got caught. But John know I'm sad. Nah, I'm sad. And also, look at some sad. So, look at so. John start. So even my peppers, them very weak. Look at so. Oh, what happened? This is a caterpillar. Gosh, we never see the caterpillar fat and big, so John star. Look at the caterpillar. Jesus Christ. Let me touch it. No, sir. Look at the caterpillar there. These are the most fluffy caterpillar. A caterpillar, them call it? Yeah. I'm gonna touch it. Maybe caterpillar yam it. No, caterpillar, but it look like it can yam it though. But anyway, look for my mash up pepper tree. Kinda sad, you know. So, I'm sad.
So the avocado.
Avocado there.
So
Ackee Jamaican pear though.
See, look avocado.
Looks like it's like blossom. Wow. And for true, you know, look, this tree looks very healthy, you know. It'll get healthier and healthier.
It's gonna be here soon.
See this one, next one, and next tree that, you know.
A complete tree or dip on it?
Oh no, it dip on it, but still,
Yeah.
looks healthy. Yeah. Why I don't know. Nice. You think a nest? Yeah, man. Looks like a nest, you know.
Some egg in it.
Maybe egg. You don't know. See? Nah, trouble it. You must but them little birds that always fly around the house. See the guy's nest. Sure, if me take it, eggs must be in there, but I'm not gonna take it because I'm not wicked. I have a good heart. I am not going to mash it up. Well, looks like nothing not going here. Here looks like nothing not going in this corner. Just the tree are gone, you know. Oh, this planting.
Yeah, be planting.
Planting, yeah. So what about planting? When planting I go breed, you have to take out the tree or no?
Breed, you think a woman?
No, when you can get planting off of it, you have to root it out and plant new.
It's a new one that
No?
come outside of it. That is being published.
So it just will continuously
Yes.
bring planting. Swear I heard some banana tree, you have to take it out when you take out the bananas from it.
Yeah, when the gardener come out soon.
Yeah.
This is the new mic.
Yeah. Why? So good. The wind is blowing. Rest your brain. It's good for your mental health. Guys, I have a very good news. I am so excited. So I think 1 week passed or something. Look at my pear seeds. Them do great, you know. Them do great. Yeah. Only 1 week, you know. 1 week. Maybe even less than 1 week. Okay. So I'm about to. I can't believe they grew, you know. I really believe supermarket pears, them can, you know, grow the seeds, them seeds. I was very skeptical. Okay, I was very skeptical, but look at so me have some pots, and this time I am not gonna just carelessly throw my seeds, my pear seeds into the soil just like that, cause me know them not go work out. Okay, so I'm not really and truly honestly sure if them a go work out in the pots, cause you know pear seeds me never hear before pear can grow in a Jamaica like a foreign pear. I'm not talking about avocado or that calls pear in Jamaica, yeah, cause in Jamaica we call avocado pear, yeah, but this is pear like a foreign pear. And when I say pear, it's pear and I mean it. It's not an avocado. Okay, I'm so excited. So yes sir. See guys, the sun hot, you know. I have beer patches upon the grass, cause the sun just burn everything. Summertime. Yes, I never even realized the summer started already. Yeah, yesterday I looked on my phone and I saw 1st June. I say, no sir, a 1st June? You must be kidding. You must be kidding me. Look, yes. Alright, so outer 1, 2. How that without where the seed gone disappeared? Maybe some of it. Anyway, it just opened. And maybe from that one. So outer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 2 did a worked out, you know. Only 2 gave babies. Yeah, so yo, look at this. Look, it looks good though, right? Yes. So right now I'm gonna plant it. I just need some soil. I need soil. Yeah, I need soil and I'm good to go.